Yo, what is up? My fellow athletics and a police officer. Let's go. Today I'm with my friend who shall remain nameless, just in case. And featuring brother up there with no helmet on. Hey, but at least he's wearing his jacket. That's peak intelligence right there. Oh! It's so fast! There we go. A little gravel road, some off-roading. What do you say? Oh, don't go in there. Yep. I think we'll follow in his footsteps. Oh my god. I'm just waiting for a giant hole. Fall right into it. This is actually kind of pretty. You think we can go in that tunnel?
I'm thinking that, but I'd like to get over on that side first.
Let's go look at it and see how deep it is. Ah. That might be a little deep for my liking. Hey, look, a ball. Yeah. Okay, I definitely smell fire right now. 100% something's on fire. Yep, smoke coming from right here. Right there on the exhaust. Oh, I'm losing her. This isn't good. I can't get it out because it keeps rolling down the hill. It's on fire! My exhaust! There's literally nothing. Do we hit the creek crossing? What do you guys think? He did it. Oh yeah, not too deep. I have no... Where? Where the fuck did he cross? Over here. Where? It's so deep. I see where he went through. Alright, one more creek crossing. Oh yeah. Man, my bike was on fire for a second. Yeah, on the exhaust, in between the exhaust and the motor, it was smoking pretty bad. He's got some off-road tires on his Grom. And I rode it on the street, and it's absolute dog water for the streets. I wouldn't want to... Oh. Wouldn't want to ride that thing in the streets. But out here, I bet it's way better. Look at all the sticks hanging off his feet. Hang on, let me get up there. He was calling me the stick police last time. Oh, dude, light work. You think we can make it across?
Lily pad usually means water.
That is true. Oh, no! Oh. Oh! Lily pads do mean water, huh? Oh, gross. Probably about what, right here? Okay. We got over the hard part, huh? Okay. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, he's hitting me with mud. God damn. Visor down, brother. Pray for me. I got bald tires and we're right next to the river. I don't think this thing is rated for water. You know, honestly, I was between a boat and a motorcycle, and I picked a motorcycle, but I don't think this thing will float. A motorcycle would be pretty sick, though. I don't think Geico's going to be very pleased with me if I tell him that I sent the bike into the water.
I don't know what's up with it. Just the starter switch don't want to work.
That's not good, so it can't start?
No, I can start it without the starter.
You just bump start it? Yeah. Man, what the fuck? You need to get a Z125. Oh, we're cutting up now. Look at how much mud is on him. That's crazy. Bro, you can't even see the coil on his suspension anymore because it's so full of mud. Bro's gonna get improper display on his license plate. Oh! Got the clapper. I think we're gonna hang a right. Yeah, I think that's a dead end over there. Okay, nice and peaceful. We got the testicle lamps up there. Oh my god, this is sketchier than the one that Paul So Hard had me on. What the fuck is this? Yo! Do you see that? Oh yeah. Oh, this is sick. I do not have the tires for this. Oh, I almost went right over the handlebars. I do not have the tires for this. Alright, this bridge is a little bit better. What's down there? Oh, that's cool. Man, I gotta remember this spot. I don't know where this is. That's pretty cool though. Oh, you got the big one, huh? That's what I was thinking. Let's go back here, brother. What is this? What is this? Oh, there's trails. Oh, they got that tree all padded up. Probably people out here getting hurt on it all the time. Stay on the trail. This is the trail, right? Looks like the trail. Ooh. No, I'm not hitting that. That is too steep. That's a crazy jump. Damn! I gotta mind my distance because he's flinging stuff in my eyeballs, man. I don't want to put my visor down. What am I, a homosexual? Nobody wears a visor in the woods, are you kidding me? I want to see nature, brother. Oh, that's a tight one. We're doing it. Oh, there's a piss bottle. Oh, I bottomed out. That's alright, it's just the exhaust. Man, this is actually pretty sick. I'm really glad this is here, man. Oh. Some next level clutch work, huh? We still haven't found Diddy yet, or any other snakes. Oh, I lost traction. This is crazy, dude. We are out here. Look at this. We get some camping going out here. I'd love to come out here at night. Dang, man, this is a workout. Especially with these soft ass tires.
That thing grabbed my fucking brake lever.
Oh no! A little jump up here, it looks like. Oh, some obstacles. Yeah, we bottomed out again. I knew we would. Alright, is this the dog park? Dude, that is a huge dog park. What are you talking about, brother? This is crazy. Hell yeah, dude. I'm taking my dog here tonight. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, this is awesome. I love this. This is cool. Dude, I bet this took a long time. That's good. Check it out, Cody. I found a balloon. You see it? This should be an easy bump start. Yeah, buddy. Maybe I'll bump start mine too over the tied up balloon over there full of bodily fluid. That's gross. People just be doing stuff down here. What a beautiful park though. I need to take my girlfriend out here. It's kind of romantic if you take away the used condom. Oh, pull-up test? That's plenty enough. This is crazy. They just leveled like this entire area and turned it into... Oh, it's slippery right there. They turned it into a big mud pit for doing donuts. Oh, this is way bigger than I thought it was. Oh, come on. Oh, my bike is not going to be happy with me by the end of this. My bike and my rear end are both going to go on strike after this. Oh yeah, we're going to need a little extra horsepower to get through this one. You guys ready? We did it. Oh, I'm in the mud. Alright, we made it through. What is this right here? Oh yeah, brother. Oh, those are in the ground. Stuck those in concrete or something. Oh, he's flinging mud at me, dude. Ah, salt. He's hitting my helmet. Jeez. Don't make me call Donald Trump on you. I wanted to hit this little hill climb right here. Oh, he is going to the hill climb, bro. I knew it. We're gonna cross through the water here. This might actually be a really bad idea. Oh, my feet are wet. Oh no. We almost made it the whole day. Jeez, man. Kinda though, because it's so hot outside, it feels a little bit good on my leg. I know I probably sound like a raging alcoholic, but I went around handing out Modelo's for Christmas. And ever since then, I'm like a Modelo addict. Oh, of course, him and his good tires and everything. Alright, my turn. Light work. Easy, bro. Oh, look at your license plate. I would, yeah, that's not good at all. Oh, I see. You can just ride around the top and then you don't have to hit this second hill. What are we, scared? Yes, we're scared. Going down is always worse than going up. We just gotta drag the rear brake. Or we just let it go and we cruise. And we fall into this rut. Oh God, no. I think I'm stuck. No brakes. I'm just kidding. I gotta go to Utah in a couple days. I can't be injured. Hell yeah, I got it. I forgot there's another hill. Light work, brother. Easy. Not even a running start, man. We just go right up those. You gonna hit that jump? You gonna hit that jump? I'll try it. Oh, it's gonna be slippery at the bottom for sure. No, it's too wet. Hell yeah, he's gonna do it. Oh. When that kid saw me coming, he was terrified. He tried to hide down there. Did you see that? I'm like, brother, I'm not gonna molest you. Well guys, if you like the video, man, shoot it a thumbs up. It really helps. Every time you like the video, it shows the video to more people and really helps the channel grow. So I appreciate you guys who like the video. If you don't like the video, let me know down in the comments. Just say, Ethanol Addict, man, you need to stop YouTube. You need to stop doing this thing. Otherwise, man, peace out, guys. Hell yeah. Cook those tires. They're smoking.